In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload or create a post on Facebook using a combination of text and images. To do so, it is quite easy. Just head over to this, what's on your mind, and then tap on it. And then begin to write. For instance, I'll go ahead and write. And then I'd like to add an image or a photo. To combine this text with the photo, just head over to this photo icon, which is here. And then I'll tap on it, and this will take me to the gallery. And now from here, I can choose a photo that I want to add. I want to add this. And here we go. It has been added. To post it or to publish this, the two of them, go ahead and tap on post. And then if your account is associated with Instagram, you have to choose whether you want also to share this post on Instagram. For my case, I don't want. I just want it to be published on Facebook. So I'll tap on not now. And then the post, it is being posted. You can see it is here. Wait for some few seconds for this to happen. And now look at that. Your post has been shared. And now it is available to my friends on Facebook. As you can see, the text is available and also the image that I added is available. So that's how you post on your Facebook account or page using a combination of text and photos. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.